fuck?
There we go.
What the? I don't know what to do. Go for the bomb? Okay. Give me covering fire, Ryan. What?
Who hasn't played yet? Raise your hand.
Calvin, my butt hurts.
You went for it.
You saw me sliding?
Yeah. I was like, oh, this plays out.
Try pulling that out. No. Wait, use both your hands. I'll carry your AK.
It's out already.
Oh, this doesn't feed.
Weird. Makes no sense.
Over here, actually.
Let's go over here.
Anyone got a speed water?
What BBs?
Any BBs? Alright.
Furthest left.
Elite Force don't even go good with this. See how I went to get the bomb plan?
You did it well. That was really good teamwork that we had there.
I was like, Ryan, cover me. Because my gun didn't work.
Oh.
I was like, oh, what do I do, Calvin? He was like, go for the bomb. I'm like, okay.
I turned into super anonymous Wilson guy. Exactly. I'm like, that looks like Boyd's gun. It sounds like it.
Who is it?
Yeah, that's him.
See his blackout ESS
Where's he gonna
card.
shotgun at? Lenny. Oh, that's right. All of a sudden I see.
How do you?
Oh, sorry, it's locked.
Oh.
So I'd lock it when I put it in. That should be good now. KWA loaded, KWA med. Paint.
Oh. Gotta check my heart and mind.
Well, the problem is like the connector is janky, so if it's not pushed just right.
This is horrendous.
Bryce called me. He was wondering what I was doing. I was like, Airsoft. He's like, yay! You mean awesome?
That's what I was thinking about. I can't return it because I like kind of take a knife to it because it's too wide. Because that was the initial problem.
So he's made 12 this time?
Sure.
I'm not getting too close, so I gotta do an hour yeah, because I'm getting so close that I can't have this.
Plus, it's your first like 6 shots anyway.
Yeah, typically that's why we call you strong. Say a couple shots and then
And it was like another 5 shots before it started lower.
It's idea of mine, man. I can get almost the same range of that gun.
How many does this fit?
I'm just trying to be careful because I don't want anybody
What is it, K120?
each other now.
K120.
Oh my god.
Exactly. It's better off. I mean, especially playing against some of the younger kids.
Yeah.
I hit up one of the young kids with my phone. It was his birthday. His mom set up shit.
Alright, that should be good.
Oh, well, as long as you got their mom's face, it doesn't matter. Yeah.
Here,
Fill it upside
That
down.
kind of indirect.
hey, wait, stop. Trying to put this back in.
And you don't fill it. Yeah, you
We should all
have to.
pistol rush.
So wait for
I
it.
need my pistol yet.
Wait for a while. Let it all warm up.
Why did they not make a film
He did right.
for a
So I
Glock?
shot it and went
Like,
then the mag dropped out and I was like, fuck, I did this. The mag won't drop, but you go, what happened?
what is that?
And then the mag
Huh?
dropped out.
What is
KWA?
Well, yeah. But what is it?
KR5.
That could killed me again.
You called it.
Oh, okay. I was like,
It took him a second.
I got poop on me now.
The nice thing without wearing plate carriers, I know I'm gonna call my hits.
Alright, next 5.
Cause like,
Pistols or...
don't call me a cheater, just shoot me more.
Wait, everybody here's played already, right?
yeah,
Yep.
everybody was played.
We need new people.
Yeah, I have.
75 new ones. Everybody down here's already played.
Alright, those people haven't played yet?
Everybody here has.
All 3 of my desks.
Hustle.
We got 4 newbies coming over.
I want to play on Timberwolves. Alright, one person that...
Good. Wait.